A while back I did a video about the flooding in Texas. Well, here I am in Kansas.
Okay, if you go west of here about 8 miles, you'll come to Langdon Road.
Oh.
Now, Langdon Road will be this.
A 16-mile detour, and this is what I found. As you can see, the water isn't all that deep because you can see the lines, but still, well, my RV and car needed it washed anyway. Fortunately, there were no other vehicles on the road at the time, so I was able to drive right down the middle where the water wasn't so bad. I think I was driving about 15 miles an hour, and fortunately these vehicles waited for me.